For clear, consistent communication without interference on the citizen band, you need a radio station that can handle any situation. Today I present to you the TTI TCB 900 EVO, a modern compact radio station with advanced digital features, perfect for those who want performance and ease of use. It is part of a complete citizen band communication combo consisting of the PNI 145PL magnetic base, the Stereo Melee 145 antenna, and of course the TTI TCB 900 EVO radio station, the core of the communication system. Today we are focusing on the radio station and highlighting what makes it special. In the package you will find the radio station, the microphone with integrated control buttons, the mounting brackets, the power cable and the user manual. The station operates on both 12 volts and 24 volts, making it suitable for cars, trucks or commercial vehicles. It features modern functions such as DSS, dynamic square system, a digital noise reduction function, dual watch which allows simultaneously monitoring 2 CB channels, mid-gain which adjusts how loud your voice is heard by other users, and auto SQ which automatically adjusts the noise threshold and optimizes sound clarity. One major advantage is the Bluetooth dongle connector, a small USB device for Bluetooth connection, allowing you to communicate hands-free without extra cables, through headphones, speakers or any device you want. The illuminated display and quick access microphone buttons make usage intuitive even at night or during long drives. The Vox function included in the station allows hands-free communication with the microphone picking up your voice from a distance. This function also includes a sensitivity adjustment, very useful if your distance from the microphone varies. Other special functions beyond the classical ones include ATT attenuator, mute temporarily silences the sound, lock, key lock to prevent accidental presses, BL backlight screen illumination, very useful at night, plus a special menu with additional settings. The radio station is equipped with a front speaker, another advantage if it's mounted in the dashboard or front panel of a truck, lorry or a coach. This ensures clear and powerful sound directed towards the user. The chassis format is 1DIN, identical to classic car cassette players. This means it fits perfectly in the designated slots found in cars, trucks, dump trucks and coaches. Amateur radio operators can also benefit from this station as it supports 11 bands usable in Europe and beyond, providing additional flexibility and freedom of operation. So how does it work? The radio station is ready to use very fast. All you need to do is attach a calibrated antenna, connect it to the car cigarette lighter socket or directly to the battery, and switch to channel 22. The product comes with a radio bracket, microphone holder and mounting screws. Connect the station to power, attach the Stereo ML 145 antenna to the PNI 145PL magnetic base and select the desired channel. You can transmit and receive messages between vehicles within a range that can exceed 10 to 15 kilometers depending on the terrain conditions. The TTI TCB 900 EVO provides a clean uninterrupted signal, and the fine adjustments give you full control over volume, sensitivity and clarity. It is an excellent choice for professional drivers, international transporters or field teams who need a reliable communication system, even in areas without GSM coverage. For a complete setup, pair it with the Stereo ML 145 antenna and the PNI 145PL base and you will have a complete, efficient and durable citizen band system. You can find the product on the PNI website, the link is in the description. If you enjoyed this presentation, leave a like, subscribe for more equipment content and tell me in the comments which functions you find most useful in a radio station. See you soon!